What's going on, guys? So we are here, the day's finally here, Alpine Volks Fair, and it's already crazy. So me and Kit, we're gonna walk around, and a few of us are gonna show you around some of our favorite builds. But as you can see today, we have our 993 and our GT3 RS. Up here, we have our two R8s, the one with turbos, and Pete's car up there, and then we have Darko's RS3 up there as well. So we'll walk around, check out what's going on the show today.
This is definitely one of the cleaner Mark 6s out here. VR6 swap with some 20-inch OZs, Porsche calipers. Very nice interior.
VR6 sounds great.
Yeah, sounds great. Everyone, this is Randy, by the way. He's new to the vlog. He is one of our technicians at Eurofed Automotive. He's gonna be walking me with the lot today. We're gonna just check out some cool cars and cheers.
Cheers.
So Volkswagen was kind enough to bring out the new Mark 8 GTI and Golf R2, I believe. I think they brought both of them out, but just been hearing some mixed reviews about it a little bit, but we've seen it in person right now, and the way it's done up, kind of the old school throwback to the BBS like Mark 1, Mark 2 generations, but it's pretty nice. Let's see what you think about it. I like it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, nice throwback little BBS wheels on it. Got the livery.
I think my favorite part of the car is the fog lights in the front, where it's integrated with the grille.
Yeah, it's really nice, and I also like the red stripe going across like the top of the headlight now. But the fogs here down here, very nice. Can't wait to see these out and about. All right, so this is one of the main show lots out here. Let's start off here with this nice VR Corrado. Very nicely done. Little bag beetle. Man, this Tiguan on the rotiforms here, it's hitting. So, nice speedster. We saw this yesterday at our Porsche meet. This is a familiar sight, one of our Atlanta's very own. This is a really cool build. It's a A4 Avant with a S4 motor swap, so it's got the 3-liter supercharged side of here. It's done really nicely too as well. It looks very OEM on the inside. Converted to a 6-speed manual with a S4 sport differential. Reading out the list right here.
Full interior swap.
It's a full interior swap too. Damn. Very good with the Alcantara inserts. So of course we brought out two of our R8s. We have Peter's blue R8 as well as Mickey's AMS twin turbo R8. Darko brought out his RS3, soon to be faster RS3. This new edition of his front mount intercooler up here, STM. And now we have probably one of my top 5 cars that I've seen this weekend is this Mark II with a lot of BBS upgrades from back in the day. Man, it is, wow. Man, that steering wheel.
This car is insane.
It's so sick.
Yeah, those pop-out windows are super expensive.
All right, Kit. So it's my turn now?
Yeah, it's your
My
turn.
turn.
So we are passing off the baton to William Bofill. He's gonna go
Back.
walk around the show, do a few of his top picks, and
There's a lot of them here.
yeah.
Not gonna
Let him nerd out on the Mark IVs and the older stuff. He knows a little bit more about that than I do, so you got this, Will. You got
Kind
this.
of left those things.
Yeah. He's
Metaphor.
also sad his Mark IV is not here. Comment down below on what motor you think he should swap into his Mark IV in case the motor is fucked.
LS.
Yeah, we're LS swapping it. Fuck it.
I vote 2.5. Get a nice little Mark 6 2.5 in there and do some intakes and manifolds on there. You're good to go.
Yeah, it would be fun, but yeah. So let's
Awesome.
see
Well,
what's around here.
Enjoy time with William Bofill.
All right, so starting off, we have Kyle's Mark III. So I've been following his build for quite a while. He's been building it for quite a few years, but it's literally this is like literally the perfect Mark III. Literally, the attention to detail is insane. The wheels are perfect. The engine's perfect. I mean, I can't say much nicer things, but you know. But yeah, so this Mark I is dope. So it's in Miami blue. Looks like it has some Beetle style wheels, rocking a nice 8 valve. So always shout out to someone keeping the best motor. But yeah, this Mark I is so clean. That's what it's about. Essentially, the old school Volkswagen style is clean as possible. I want to make you think like I didn't do anything to it. And that's when you start noticing all the nice little details of every single build. That's kind of the ethos. So it may seem like just you put some nice wheels on a Volkswagen, but then you notice that a bunch of different little things have been changed to where it's a very, very clean package. Like, and no one's doing it better than the Mark III guys, because good God, this year they came in hard. I mean, just let me give you some examples. Oh, I love wagons, especially when they weren't sold here. God, that's nice. Well done, sir. Whoever owns this, well done, sir. Oh, the feather. Can't forget the feather. God bless him. There you go, guys.
He's actually recording. Get the feather. We got the feather.
There you go. All right, so we're venturing back, and I'm back here with my son. Seth.
Dad.
It's my kiddo. You know, I'm trying to teach him the ways. Yeah. All right, Seth. So, what do you think of the show so far? And because this is your first time ever here, so
yeah, no, it's actually so laid back right now. It's actually really good. It's a bigger turnout than I thought it was going to be. Like in the morning, it wasn't, you know, there wasn't many people, but they started shuttling in, and it was just like,
yeah. Once everyone got over the hangovers and the shuttles came in,
yeah,
here.
yeah. I mean, look at
Look at all the people.
Look at all the people. Like people over there, like
Over there. There's a person there.
We got food. We have like a bunch
here.
of cars.
Randy's
So we
here.
have, this is sick. This is sick.
What's up?
Let's just start. Hold on.
Oh wait. Yeah.
Hold on for that. Hold on. So we have Mark 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah.
So
And then. Hold on. Mark 8.
yeah. So I don't know if Kit's already shown you about it, but yeah. So they're showcasing the Mark 8, which is the brand new car. And what's cool is they kind of done it up in a very retro theme, which is nice because the exact car it's based off of is right here, which is a full BBS style. Like back in the 90s, BBS made more than just wheels, and this thing has literally everything you could think of, including a 16 valve. That's the engine you want. High, revvy, perfect. What do you think, Randy?
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
You should have one of each. You need the old one and the new one.
That'd be dope, bro. Like up to
Have them next to each other.
Yeah. But yeah, let me show you the Mark 8 a little bit more. In person, looks dope. Yeah, for some reason, the photos just didn't do it justice. It looks way better in person, especially with the retro style livery. I dig it. Well done, Volkswagen. What do you think? What do you think of the Mark 8, Mark 7 boy?
I don't like the fog lights. It's the only thing.
You don't like the fog lights? That's the one thing I like.
I like the fog lights.
Oh.
I think it looks out of place.
No, it doesn't. They're literally made to look in place.
No, I don't like that. I just don't.
Oh, okay. We'll agree.
And I don't
disagree.
like how there's like all the plastic there. And,
Okay, so.
but the rest of the car looks great. Okay.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Well, then you're a hater. I like it. Randy likes it. We all like it.
No,
You
fog
just
lights
don't
are
love the
gangster.
car. Yeah, fog lights are fine. We're still just looking at the Mark 8. It's pretty cool.
It actually looks like the proportions are really like good.
No, I wanted to not like it until I saw it in person.
And here's the weird thing too. Typically when a new car comes out, I hate it. It's like, hey, this car's ugly, and then it kind of grows on you. 6 months down the road, you're like, oh, I kind of like it. You see this car and you instantly fall in love.
Yeah.
I mean, it is lowered on BBS and like
Still though,
BBS
No, it's
like
beautiful.
decals
This is
and shit.
exactly what any enthusiast is going to do. You're going to lower the car as soon as you get it. You're going to change out the wheels and make it your own.
Yeah. Who knows the future?
Shoo!
No, big old paps.
What are you doing with that cake?
Ooh.
God damn, it's my birthday?
I want to show off this car because this is actually my homie Mauricio's car, and this thing is probably the most done A5 you could ever think of. Like down, so it's fully stage 2, and this is actually he was the first ever A5 in the states to have this flare kit. So yeah, interior's dope. This flare kit.
That's insane.
You know, when this thing rolls through anywhere it goes, it stops right
and the green, it's so pretty.
Yeah, no, so this is the same green that you can get on a more modern S4. So it has a yellow base and stuff.
I'm sorry, I'm going inside your car, but
Okay.
we know you.
I know you don't know him at all.
Oh.
But yeah, I just want to show this off because literally, by far one of my most favorite Audi builds of all time is Mo's car. I mean, just look at it. It's a good thing.
Yeah. I'm a sucker for the green, I'm just saying.
No, the green's perfect. Like he did a very good job.
Yeah.
He's a man of taste, which I always appreciate. Man of taste, like Mauricio. So well done, man. So I think definitely the coolest thing
We're gonna get hit.
All right, so definitely the coolest thing I think that this kind of show is showing is honestly quality. Like the quality of cars, the caliber of builds. It's really unlike anything you see at any other kind of show, honestly.
Let's be real though, you had to be like very exclusive to park your car.
Yeah, so there actually every single car here was picked to be in the show yesterday on Friday, or at least most of the cars, except for a few vendor cars. But clearly the quality of the cars,
Handpicked.
and you can't imagine, like, there's not a single car out here I wouldn't want to put in here.
And it's like the community too, like the crowd. You know, they're not like doing stupid shit.
The Volkswagen community is super tight, and it always brings, like, this is the biggest meet of the year. And it shows, it's a perfect example of how great the Euro community is, honestly.
People from Ohio coming down.
Those guys from Mexico.
Yeah.
Mexico, they drove all the way from Mexico.
Insanity.
It's
Of course,
fantastic.
Florida, Tennessee, North Carolina, you know.
Nebraska. Some guys came from Nebraska.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anytime I come to shows like this, makes me want to think about doing really something done with my car, and now that it has a blown engine, potentially.
Potentially.
Oh yeah.
We won't condemn it yet.
So yeah, guys, let me know. Let us know down in the comments below what engine you want to put in the Mark IV. I'm leaning towards VR, but
yeah.
we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, just let us know in the comments below. All right, guys. So that's a wrap. Alpine Volks Fair is done. Now, what do we got next?
Hang out.
Time to hang out.
Hang out, have some drinks. Yeah.
You know.
Just enjoy some much needed time off with the guys. Thanks so much for checking out this vlog at Volks Fair. Be sure to check out future upcoming videos. Check out our online store for all of our merch. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow our Instagram at Eurofed.
And
Stay tuned for more.
call now, discover the Eurofed difference. That's right.
You know, you change your
All right, see you guys in the next one.